This video app review is brought to you by the iPhone appreview.com.
What's up, everybody? This is Luke Patrick with the iPhone appreview.com. We're slinging out yet another iPhone video review today, or this time actually it's an iPad video, looking at an app called Buncee Pro. And this application is available for $1 in the App Store at your convenience. If you should decide to buy this, that's where you can find it, and that's how much it costs. Kind of like I'm doing my job. But anyway, this application is kind of in the same vein as a lot of the scrapbooking applications that we've been looking at recently, only it offers a slightly different functionality in the sense that it instead allows users to create e-cards. These e-cards can then be saved or sent at their convenience and basically mailed out with ease to anywhere that you so prefer. So if you're kind of a person that likes to send a card for every kind of occasion, this is an app that will definitely cater to your specific tastes. And that's pretty much all we have to say about it, so without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead and slap it and get straight into things. You saw the boot screen there for just a second. That is the typical boot screen. And here you can see something that I was just kind of fooling around with a little bit. Buncee does base itself pretty much on clip art and a couple other features that we'll talk about, but like the scrapbooking applications that we've looked at recently, that's how this works. So first you go over here and then you pick, say, a category, like you want to do faces. There's all kinds of holiday clip art as well, so some Valentine's stuff there. And you can easily troll through St. Patty's, Go Irish, and the assortment. So you have that, and likewise you can select anything else that's in here, and this of course scrolls all together. There's about 150 different clip art pieces, which is great. We would have liked to have seen more, actually. We would have liked to see even more clip art just because, this is how you're going to express yourself with this application. Not entirely, but it is nice to have as many options as possible. We'd have liked, say, I don't know, maybe 200 or 250, somewhere in there. But either way, 150 is definitely not bad. So as you can see, I just added something I don't actually want to have there, so I hit undo. Yes, I do. Thank you. And that's how that works. So nice functionality there. Likewise, the save button's right there in case you would like to hit that, and all of your saved Buncees are right there. So all in all, it's very quick to edit and manage the Buncees that you create. Not only do you have clip art, though, you also have text. As you can see, I've added this little text bundle. You can click text, and then you get all these various sort of clip art style speech bubbles, which are great. Likewise, there's also a text box, if that's more your kind of taste, if you're into more squarish things. There's also a drawing option where you can go in and doodle away, adding text via just your finger, or if you just want to doodle, there's also that option. Likewise, you can change the opacity, the size, and the different colors, which is great. So we did appreciate that immensely. And of course, we're going to do this easy undo option. You can also change the background, which is something I have not done for this illustration, so we're going to go ahead and do this. There's a whole host of included backgrounds, which is nice. That simplifies things quite well. But if you don't see anything that you like, you can also add an image via either the camera or the photo library, which is great. We like that a lot too because it allows us to use our own photos. If you look on the Buncee page in the iTunes store or anywhere else that Buncee is listed, you can see all the kinds of cool creations that people have been making, which is neat. So let's say you've done all of this and then you're quite ready to finish it off. Then you simply hit share and you can save it to the photo album directly to your iPad and deal with it there. You can MMS it anywhere that you'd like if you've got this on your iPhone. You can also email it, Facebook it, or more at your convenience. There's Twitter and Tumblr as well. You have to sign on to those, but it doesn't take long and then you're good to go. So we appreciate the fact that that was so easy to do. Obviously, if you create an e-card, you're going to want to send it. So if you create, say, a birthday card for your Aunt Bertha, it's very easy to simply ship that out at your convenience, and it's not hard at all. I forgot to mention this, but you can scale and rotate all of these pieces as you see fit. You can also move them around, which we like apps that make extensive use of this sort of, the touch opportunity that an iPad gives you. So we really liked that. We liked it a lot. We thought that was a great way to manage things, much better than, say, having some kind of functionality bar down here where you have to mess with that. So we enjoyed that greatly. There's also an info button if you'd like, and you can go to the Buncee website, which offers even more features, but we won't talk about those too much because we happen to be just reviewing the app. But if you need some instructions, you can do this. There's a how-to option as well. So all in all, quite a impressively functional bundle. We also really liked the just the general layout of this application. The design is very easy to use with the navigational controls over here, as well as the very fat bar along the bottom that supplies a lot of other things. So all in all, Buncee Pro offers a rather tight package, especially if this is your shtick. If you like to send e-cards and you do it a lot, and you happen to own an iPad, this is a fantastic way to combine all of your interests. Best of all, this application is available for a solid 99 cents in the App Store, which is pretty fantastic. That's a lot of functionality for not a lot of money, which, if that's not a recommendation, I'm not sure what is. So at the end of the day, we're going to give Buncee Pro a solid 4 out of 5 star rating, as well as our recommendation. We really did enjoy this app, and we think it has a lot of potential if you like to send these kind of e-cards. So that's all we really have to say about it. Buncee Pro gets a 4 out of 5 star rating from us here at the iPhoneAppReview.com. I've been Luke Patrick reviewing, and I just want to thank you guys for tuning in. And at this point, if you want to watch even more of our videos, just stay on the YouTube channel and troll around a bit. If you want to hear my voice, that is the place to go. Or if you'd like to do some light reading, you can go to the iPhoneAppReview.com for heaps of our written reviews as well. And that's pretty much all we have to say, so we're going to be signing out now. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. Bye.